Imagine you're planning a trip to Japan. You're excited, but you're also a little worried about foreign transaction fees. You've heard about YouTrip, a popular travel card, but you're not sure how it works. Is YouTrip under Mastercard? Let's dive in and find out. Have you ever been on a trip and felt like you were getting ripped off by foreign transaction fees? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're trying to enjoy your vacation. That's where YouTrip comes in. What is YouTrip? YouTrip is a multi-currency wallet and debit card that allows you to spend in over 10 currencies without any foreign transaction fees. It's a popular choice among travelers because it's convenient, affordable, and easy to use. The Mastercard connection. So, is YouTrip under Mastercard? Well, not exactly. While YouTrip does use Mastercard's network for its card transactions, it's actually an independent company. This means that YouTrip has more control over its fees and features, which can be a benefit for users. How does YouTrip work? To use YouTrip, you first need to download the app and sign up for an account. Once you've verified your identity, you can add funds to your wallet in multiple currencies. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply tap your card at the point of sale. YouTrip will automatically convert the transaction to your preferred currency. Benefits of using YouTrip. There are several benefits to using YouTrip. First, you can save money on foreign transaction fees, which can add up quickly on international trips. Second, YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, so you're getting the best possible value for your money. Third, the app is easy to use and provides real-time transaction updates. Is YouTrip right for you? YouTrip is a great option for anyone who travels frequently or spends money in foreign currencies. If you're tired of paying high fees and want to get more value out of your money, YouTrip is definitely worth considering. So, to answer the question, is YouTrip under Mastercard? Yes, but also no. YouTrip uses Mastercard's network, but it's an independent company with its own unique features and benefits. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances while traveling, YouTrip is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.